A cheerful explorer has a map. It folds itself, showing Earth's history. Continents drift like puzzle pieces. Mountains are born, oceans reshape. Plate tectonics sculpt coastlines. They create earthquakes and landscapes. These processes affect climate today. They also shape ocean current. They explain biodiversity in regions. Trace your continent's ancient journey. Imagine future shifts of the world. What will Earth look like then?